Hello and welcome to Froggy Frog and this stitch guide on how to crochet the caramel stitch. So this is a really beautiful stitch that creates this 3D like effect on the front with a different colour. So to create this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1 plus 1 for your turning chain.
So to start your caramel stitch, you're going to be making a single crochet in the third chain from your hook. And your turning chain counts as your first single crochet, so I popped a stitch marker into the first chain from my hook for that. And then you're just going to make a single crochet in every stitch across. Okay, so row 1 is just a row of single crochet. Then turn, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row, and then row 2 is another row of single crochet. So we're going to have another row of single crochet as well, and these single crochet rows are going to set up so that we can make our caramel stitches, which will be made into these single crochet rows. So row 2, just make a single crochet in each stitch across. To that turning chain. Then turn and chain 1. Single crochet in the first stitch for row 3. And again, just make a single crochet in each stitch across. Let's grab some more yarn. Okay, so row 3 is just another row of single crochet. And make a single crochet in that last stitch of the row. But in this last stitch I'm going to change colour. I should bring my next colour in. And then turn, chain 1. Okay. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Just move my stitch marker up. So this is row 4 and we're going to start our caramel stitches. So after you've made a single crochet in the first stitch, we're going to get started on our first caramel stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, go into the stitch directly below, so between the stitches, so that hole there, into there, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, into the next one below, so down here, so that next hole, all directly below each other, yarn over, okay, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook, so that's 7 loops, and you'll get this diagonal line coming down here. Now working into the next stitch, make a single crochet, and then we make another caramel stitch in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, go into the next hole down directly below, so here, so find it helps if you just pull your stitches apart to be able to find that hole. Into there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, you want the next hole below, so you can see where we made the stitch here, we skipped this one, it's to here. Into there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all loops on your hook. Now make a single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so you're going to have a row of all these lovely caramel stitches all the way across. Okay, and you repeat that across the row. Into the next stitch. Then a hole directly below, yarn over, and into the hole directly below that. Plug all those 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. There is no chain 1 after your caramel stitches, you just go straight to the single crochet in the next stitch and then repeat. One directly below into there, pull loop, and then single crochet in the last stitch of the row. But I'm also going to change back to my other colour. Okay, so you're changing colour in the last stitch of the row of your caramel row, then turn and chain 1. Make a single crochet in the first stitch, just mark that stitch, and then make a single crochet in every stitch across. So 1 in the top of every caramel stitch and 1 in the top of your single crochet, and just repeat that all the way across. Okay, so that's the back of your caramel stitches, and there's the front. So the rest of your caramel stitch is a repeat of rows 2 to 5. And every repeat of row 4 is a caramel stitch. So you'll always have a row of 3 single crochet. Sorry, you'll have 3 rows of single crochet between every caramel stitch.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the caramel stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stunning stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggy Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. The link is beneath this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitch guides, crochet patterns and crochet hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.